In this video, I am going to show you how to share your screen on Microsoft Teams. In the Meeting Controls, find and click the Share Content button. Choose whether you want to include your computer's audio if relevant to what you're sharing. Next, select this to share everything visible on your screen, ideal for compressive demonstrations where multiple resources might be referenced. Opt for this to share a PowerPoint presentation within Teams. It allows for a more interactive and integrated presentation experience. These options allow you to share a digital whiteboard also. Participants can view and collaborate in real time, making it perfect for brainstorming sessions. Once you've selected what to share, a red border appears around the content being shared, indicating what participants can see. It's important to note that during sharing, meeting attendees won't be able to see any personal notifications or pop-ups that might appear on your screen, preserving your privacy. When you're ready to stop sharing, simply click Stop Sharing. This will immediately cease the broadcast of your screen or application to meeting participants and return to your standard meeting view. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.